In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for birthday reminders. Birthdays are important, and forgetting one can be a little embarrassing. So let's make sure that never happens again by setting up birthday reminders using Google Calendar. This process is simple, effective, and will ensure you never miss a birthday. First, let's head over to Google Calendar. You can do so by opening your web browser and typing in calendar.google.com. Once there, you'll see your calendar with the current month displayed. Next, look for the Create button. It's usually prominently positioned on the left side of the screen, often under the Google Calendar logo. By clicking on Create, a new event dialog box will open, allowing us to start adding your birthday reminders. Now, you will see an option to click on Event. This is where we'll start detailing the birthday specifics for your reminder. After clicking Event, you'll find yourself with additional options. To access more features, go ahead and click on More Options. This grants us a full view of all the settings we can adjust for our event. In the event window, locate the title area and type in the name of the birthday person. For example, something simple like example Adrian's birthday works. This ensures clarity when you look at your calendar and immediately know whose birthday it is. Once you have the birthday title, it's time to customize the setup. This will involve choosing the correct date and time for the birthday. Remember, the time isn't necessarily important here, since you'll just want to make sure you're notified on the day. Next, right above the date and time section, you'll notice the option labeled Does Not Repeat. Click on it, as this key step is essential for setting up a birthday reminder. We want the reminder to repeat annually, so go ahead and click on Custom. Once in the Custom settings, you'll find a drop-down arrow. Click on it, and from the options, select Yearly. This ensures that your reminder repeats every year on the same date without additional input from you. Now, with everything set, we need to finalize our event. You'll see a Done button. Click on it to confirm all the settings you've just configured. Make sure every detail is correct, as clicking Done will prepare the reminder to be saved. And finally, save all of your adjustments by clicking the Save button. This action secures your birthday reminder in your Google Calendar and ensures you will be notified when the day arrives. And there you have it. You've just set up a recurring birthday reminder in Google Calendar. With this simple trick, staying on top of your loved one's birthdays has never been easier. Thank you for watching and happy birthday planning.